Hi everyone, I'm James, a medical student at SIU.
Hi, I'm Julia, also a medical student at SIU. And today we're making a quick and budget-friendly butternut squash coconut curry with winter greens, which is perfect for a cold weather day, whether you're super busy or if you just want to feel like you have your life together.
So here's what you'll need: butternut squash, onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, chickpeas, curry spices, coconut milk, spinach or winter greens, oil, salt, and pepper.
So we're going to start by bringing our stove to medium heat and adding our onion, and we're going to saute them until they're nice and golden brown. And that'll take about 5 minutes for them to get a little bit golden. Okay, so you want to brown your onions until they're about this kind of golden brown color, very pretty.
Then you're going to want to add your garlic and ginger. You'll stir that for a minute, or just until your kitchen smells like you know what you're doing.
And then after that, we're going to add in our spices. So we'll add in our salt, cumin, curry powder, and paprika.
And then
and kind of roasting them like this with the onions really kind of like wakes up the flavor, and it's going to give you a lot flavorful curry later.
And then you'll want to pour in your tomatoes, and you'll cook for about 5 minutes until they break down.
So after we've added our tomatoes and cooked those down for a little bit, we're going to add in our butternut squash. Oh. And then we'll also add in our coconut milk. This coconut milk will give it a little bit of a sweet flavor with the spices. Okay, we'll give this a little stir. After adding in the butternut squash and the coconut milk, we're gonna add in our chickpeas.
Go ahead and add your chickpeas, and then you want to cover it again and cook for about 12 minutes. And you can add a splash of water if you need it.
And then while that's simmering, we're going to make our winter greens and lentils. So for that, you can look at our previous video. But what you would do is add a little oil to the pan, throw in your greens, and then simmer them for about 3 to 4 minutes until wilted. And this is kind of what they look like when they're done. Okay, so our curry's been simmering for about 12 minutes now.
All right, and once the squash is fork tender, you can go ahead and add your greens.
And once the greens are added, you'll just want to stir well, maybe cook for another like 3 to 4 minutes. And then you'll just want to check like the consistency of your curry. If you want it a little bit thinner, you can add a little bit of water. Or if you want something a little bit thicker, you can just simmer the curry for a little bit longer until it gets to the consistency that you like.
All right, and that's it. Creamy, hearty, filling, and packed with fiber and antioxidants.
And today we're scooping our curry over lentils that we made in our first kind of little tips and tricks video. It's also great over like rice, quinoa, flatbreads, like chapati, roti, or naan, or it's great by itself.
And the best part is, this makes amazing leftovers. Future you will thank you.
And that's it. Healthy cooking doesn't have to be hard, it just has to be doable. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully we see you next time.